Hey everyone, INNOCN 49Q1R is a cutting-edge, ultra-wide curved gaming monitor designed for enthusiasts and professionals alike, blending impressive specifications with a sleek modern design. Priced at $999, it is now available on Amazon US and has quickly garnered attention for its expansive display and advanced features. At heart of the 49Q1R is a massive 49-inch OLED panel with a dual-quad high-definition resolution of 5,120 by 1,440, ensuring incredible clarity and vibrant visuals. Its 32:9 aspect ratio and 1800R curvature deliver an immersive viewing experience, ideal for gamers and creatives who benefit from wide, uninterrupted screen real estate. The matte finish further enhances usability, reducing glare and reflections to ensure optimal visibility in various lighting conditions. Performance is where the 49Q1R truly shines. With a lightning-fast 144 Hz refresh rate and an exceptional 0.03 millisecond GTG response time, the monitor eliminates motion blur, making it perfect for high-speed gaming and video playback. It supports both FreeSync and NVIDIA G-Sync, ensuring seamless, tear-free gameplay by synchronizing the monitor's refresh rate with the frame rate of the connected device. The monitor's HDR 400 certification enhances its dynamic range and color accuracy, producing brighter whites, deeper blacks, and richer, more vibrant colors. Aegis Haute Tized Milios Araños Contrastarás. 99% DCI P3 color gamut coverage and a color accuracy rating of Delta E below 2 make it a powerful tool for content creation and multimedia editing, providing exceptional fidelity and precision. Connectivity options on the 49Q1R are equally impressive. It features a USB-C port with 90-watt power delivery, making it capable of charging laptops, tablets, or other devices, alongside two HDMI 2.1 ports for high-bandwidth input from next-generation gaming consoles and PCs. Additionally, it includes an HDMI 1.4 port, a 3.5mm audio jack, an RJ45 Ethernet port for network connectivity, two USB-A ports, and a USB-B port for seamless data transfer. One of the standout features is its picture-in-picture and picture-by-picture technology, allowing users to display content from two different input sources simultaneously. This is a valuable addition for multitaskers who need to manage multiple screens or workflows efficiently. Complementing the visual experience are dual 5-watt integrated speakers, delivering clear and robust audio for daily use without requiring external speakers. The INNOCN 49Q1R is a remarkable gaming monitor that combines cutting-edge technology with a premium design. Its combination of an ultra-wide OLED display, high performance, and versatile features makes it an excellent choice for gamers, professionals, and content creators looking for a top-tier display solution. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and God bless you.